To eject SIM tray on Google Pixel 11 and insert your SIM card to the phone, we need to take a look at the top side of the phone, because over here we can find the SIM tray. What you need to do is you need to use the eject tool that you should be able to find, for example, inside the box over here. So once you have your eject tool, you want to put it into this hole that we have here in this spot on the SIM tray. There we go, and once it is in, you want to apply gentle pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. It's going to pop out just a little bit, so keep that in mind. And then what you need to do is you need to use your fingers or fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Now, this is how the SIM tray looks like. There we go. So as you can see, we have our SIM card slot here in this place. So we're gonna put our SIM card just like that. We need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. And this seems to be, sorry about that, this seems to be the front or the upper side of the SIM tray. So now we're just gonna put it back in. And this is very simple. You just have to push it into the phone with your finger and just make sure that it is fully inserted. The SIM tray should not stick out of the phone. And in case you have trouble with inserting it back into the phone, you just want to make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted into its slot. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.